The story begins with our ducks, who loved swimming in the pool on the property and left a lot of poop where humans did not like it. We needed to get their own body of water. First we dug a pond in a low spot and covered it with black plastic, but they didn't like it. Next we set up a portable swimming pool, but they could not see the water and did not get in. So we dug a hole and buried the pool. And it was a great success, but it just created another problem. A few days later the pool looked like this, and the drain was at the bottom of the hole. How do we clean or change the water? We could use this method, but twice a week? Luckily I remembered a lesson from my father. We were out fishing one day and next to us was a rock pool filled with water. Dad asked me if I knew how to drain such a pool. I had no idea, so he picked up a long piece of kelp and put one end in the pool under the water. Next he laid the kelp over the nearby rock, and then down to the water below. Next he started drawing the water through the kelp tube by sucking at the bottom end. Then the water started flowing, and it didn't stop until the rock pool was empty. I didn't know it at the time, but what he was showing me is known as a siphon, and it had to be the solution to our problem. So we started digging a hole that was lower than the bottom of the pool, because that's how a siphon works. Gravity pulls the water down. We ran a pipe from the pool down to the bottom of the hole in the ground, and then started drawing water through the pipe by sucking at the end of it. I got a mouthful of dirty water, but it worked. The water was flowing and I was happy. And it kept on flowing until the pool was empty. To avoid getting a mouthful of dirty water, we tried another method which also worked well. We filled the pipe with a hose while closing an end, before running the pipe from the pool to the hole and releasing the pressure at both ends at the same time. And so we found a way to drain the pool, refill it, and make our ducks happy. Here follows a theoretical explanation of a siphon. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you in the next video. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel.